Per Inside EVs, Lucid Motors has begun production of its long-awaited Gravity SUV at its Arizona factory. The 7-seat electric SUV is critical for Lucid's financial future, as the company has yet to turn a profit and has struggled with brand awareness. The Gravity's base touring model will start at $79,900, while the higher-end Grand Touring version begins at $94,900 and offers up to 450 miles of range with over 800 horsepower. Lucid plans to ramp up production cautiously to ensure high quality, with customer deliveries expected next year. The Gravity will also feature Tesla's charging port design and is expected to gain access to Tesla's charging network before deliveries begin. However, Lucid faces challenges including limited brand recognition and competition from established automakers like BMW and Volvo. The company sold only 6,001 Air sedans in 2023, far below earlier projections. Lucid is banking on the Gravity to expand its market reach and boost sales, with its spacious design and advanced features aiming to attract SUV buyers. Meanwhile, Lucid is also preparing a more affordable $50,000 crossover, expected to launch in 2026, to compete in the mainstream market. You are listening to Yuan News.